This is the only trading platform you need this year, and it's one of the most user-friendly platforms that a lot of people don't talk about. So now 2026, a lot of traders, they are still using the typical MT4, MT5. Now, it's great because it's a very established trading platform and a lot of brokers provide that and it's user-friendly, but you realize that the interface is pretty outdated. Agree with me? It screams 90s, 2000s trading platform. Whereas if you look at something like this and this, it looks more like 2026. Agree with me? So as traders, we want to be as updated as possible. And right now, this trading platform is very popular among the popular prop firms. For example, Funded Next, and you don't even need to download it because you can just use the web-based platform. And it's completely free, so if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description below. And this video is sponsored by MatchTrader, and personally, I've tried it. It is very user-friendly, and that's something that I'll show you later that you're going to find useful. So first thing first, what you need to do is to set up your account, okay? You can just start with guest mode, and if you already have a live account with one of the brokers or prop firms that are listed here, you can just start trading a live account here. If not, you can just start with a demo account and then you can practice trading without risking any real money. So once you're at the platform, you'll be able to see on top over here the trade tab. Okay, this is where you would have your trading charts, and of course you can open up your currency charts, stock charts, commodities chart, and if you trade Bitcoin, there's Bitcoin too, as well as other types of commodities. Now the thing is over here, you can just buy and sell over here, and then you can set your volume and then execute your trade immediately. So it's very user friendly. And if you find that this trading platform, you're not so used to it, you can actually go to this button on top here where you can switch to trading view interface. So when you press on that, you can see that here you go, you have your trading view interface over here with all the trading view buttons that you're probably familiar with. Then after that, you can go to this second tab over here. This is the prop trading tab. Now you can practice prop trading using this demo challenge. Okay, all you need to do is just register for free and then practice how to pass a prop trading challenge. That is something that you don't find in a lot of places. And aside from that, you can also practice how to trade in competitions when the competitions are available. And once you've made some demo trades, you can go to this analytics tab over here. Okay, and it's going to show you your trading performance. Now this is very important for us traders. If you want to improve, you got to track your performance regularly. Okay, so it's going to show you your average wins, percentage ROI, average loss, profit factor, as well as your trade summary, your total trades, number of buy trades you have, number of sell trades you have, then your daily performance, as well as your monthly ROI. Okay, when you come to this next tab over here, you'll see copy trading, but make sure that you pick the right person to copy, because doesn't mean that if they are profitable, then it's good to copy, because they might be taking a lot of risks. So you gotta do more research. So when you click on details over here, you can look at their data, their trading performance. Then the next tab over here, you would have the explore tab. Okay, so you can see on the top left over here, you would have the news compilation. Okay, the economic indicators that's going to affect the currencies that you are trading, as well as the stocks that you are trading. And then on the bottom left over here, you would see the trending currencies, and then you can also see what are the trending commodities right now, and then the trending cryptos, trending stocks, or you can have an overall summary of the popular instruments right now, as well as the trending indices right now. Now the next tab over here, you will see market sentiment. Now be careful of this. Don't follow the crowd, because a lot of times the retail trading crowd is wrong, although they may be right sometimes. But you can look at this tab to see the overall market sentiment and then potentially trade against it. Okay, you want to see extreme numbers in the market sentiment tab You want to see extreme percentages, not like 50%, 51, somewhere in the middle. You want something beyond 80% or less than 20% for you to potentially think, okay, can I trade against the crowd or trade along with the crowd? And then the next tab over here, you'll see top movers. And what's the difference between top movers and trending? Now, basically top movers tell you the highest percentage gainers, the biggest percentage losers, the strongest volatility spikes, okay? So you would look at this tab when you want to look for momentum trades, breakout trades, volatility scalping. Whereas for trending instruments, it refers to what most traders are looking at, what most traders are trading, and which stock has increasing volume and interest. So you would look at the trending tab if you want to find setups before a big move, or you want to look at where the crowd is, or you want to look at which are the liquidity hotspots, okay? Basically, it tells you what are most traders watching right now. So a lot of times before a big move happens, the asset, stock, currency, commodity is going to go to the trending tab first. Then after that, when it moves like crazy, it's going to move to the top movers tab, okay? And when you want to place your order, you can actually drag this, okay, toggle over here to set your volume instead of typing it out, alright? And it's going to give you, in terms of monetary value, what's your required margin, free funds, and spread. Then over here, you can set your stop loss, alright? And then you can toggle between whether you want percentage terms, points, value, and then you can set your trading stop you want if you use that for trend following. And then for take profit, you can also determine if you want to set the price or the value of your target price in percentage terms or in points. And then there's one more button up here. You can switch to risk mode, okay? And what it's going to do is going to calculate your volume based on the amount of risk that you are willing to take, okay? So of course, with any platforms, there are downsides. Right now, MatchTrader, even though it's very user-friendly, it is not as popular as MT4 and MT5 right now. But in the future, I would reckon that a lot of prop trading firms, brokers, they are going to start adopting this platform. So if you want to try out their platform, check out the prop trading demo account. This video is sponsored by them, MatchTrader. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out. And if you want to become a funded trader, how to succeed as a prop trader, I've done a video in the past, I'll put it somewhere here. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.